Hello and welcome to Mountain Aromatics. Today, Shangra-LIDE from IFF. Shangra-LIDE, it is a musk, and I think there's two very different musk, or two that are very different from all the other musk. That is Cashmeran and then Shangra-LIDE. And maybe I'm not saying it right, but that's how I want to say it, Shangra-LIDE. From IFF. So it is 400 hours, just like a musk would be. The average use is 20%, and then it of course is a base. So I'm gonna just read the description. It's a musk, animalic, leather, sweet. I wrote deer musk notes, very sensual, skanky, but I put use a trace amount. Even though the average use could be, when I remember when I say average use, when they give the average use, that is up to that amount is a suggested amount. So it's always suggested. You could do, that doesn't mean using 1% in the formulation is going to be a bad thing. You need to use up to 20% to make this effective. No, that's not what it's talking about at all. It means you could go up to 20%. It doesn't mean, because this is not restricted, so it doesn't mean you can't go to 24%. But with this one, this is skanky deer musk. It's, so using this in moderation, especially if you're just beginning with this, you want to use 1 drop because it will make a difference. And this is very animalic. Of all the musk that are on creatingperfume.com, because I'm assuming there's more, and I don't even have all of them, but I've read through and tried to learn, even though I don't have them all. But this one is by far the most animalic, and this is, if you just think about, this is a deer musk. From like the deer gland, that's what this is. I guess they're trying to represent it, or trying to, but that's what this one is. It is a deer musk. So, and it doesn't even say it really, but it is. So there's this very animal deer musky, almost skanky. It's almost a skanky smell, and it's not. And this is what's funny about it, is it's not dirty. It's not like, ooh, a dirty animal. It's not that at all. It is a little musty. It's musky. Oh, it's just. It's interesting. It's just, I don't want you to get the idea that it's dirty animal. It's because it's, but it's not like clean, because it has an animalic note. It, not even an animalic note. It's very animalic. That's what this is. So if you don't want an animalic note, you don't want to use this. It just, to me, is very strong. It's clear. It's thicker than water. To me, it's even thicker than an oil. It's a little bit thicker than that. It's awesome because there are times you want to do, so just very I hate saying this, but very on the masculine scale, like on that. But why do I hate that? Why does that frustrate me? Because perfumery, aroma, fragrance is not gendered. And I'm not being trendy, because everybody thinks, oh, like I saw the other day on, I don't even remember what I was watching, but they were doing like new fragrances. Oh my god, it's a unisex, it's for both, and it got popularized in the United States from CK1. No. Absolutely not. At the beginning of perfumery, back in the day, it started with leather gloves and they stunk, whatever, and that's what they would put that on there and blah, blah, blah. But it is not gendered. If you liked the fragrance, you wore the fragrance. It wasn't, oh, this is for women, this is for men. It's not that. Because this could go, I can make this into a formula where women could wear it, where women would want to wear it. But the bottom line, even past that, whatever the formula is, it doesn't matter. Whatever my formula is, I don't care who you are, you try it. If you like it, you wear it. That's what it is. Ooh, I bet you're like, he got on a soapbox. I sure did. I did. I don't care. Because I hope that helps you. So, getting on a soapbox, sometimes people can learn things. So, there you go. This really, it has its place. I am doing a video on this because it's a really cool material. It really is a cool material because it's so, like, nothing else I've smelled. It's not like Castoreum. It's not like Civet. Or Civet Artificial, because I've not been privy to smelling the real Civet. Yeah. Just use in moderation until you learn the material. But it is a very, very unique musk in the musk family. Thank you very much for being here. And I will see you on the next Mountain Aromatics. Have a good day.